Hey there guys, Chet here. Today we're comparing Shopify and Google Sites. By the end of this video, you'll know what each platform is for, how they compare in features, pricing, and which one is the right choice for you. But before we get started, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get complete access to my Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now let's get started. First off, a quick overview. Shopify is an e-commerce platform designed mainly for people who want to sell products online. It gives you store tools, payment options, shipping settings, and a full dashboard to run your business. Now, on the other hand, Google Sites is a simple website builder. It is mostly used for basic websites, school projects, internal company pages, and portfolios. It's not built for selling products, so the purpose of both platforms is very different from the start. Now let's look at features. Shopify gives you everything you need to run an online store. You can add products, track inventory, create discount codes, set up shipping, and connect different apps to grow your business. It also gives you a secure checkout and powerful analytics. Meanwhile, Google Sites focuses really on quick and simple website creation. You can drag and drop sections, add text, images, forms, and embed Google tools like Drive, Calendar, Docs, and more. It's very easy, but the features are limited because it's not designed for e-commerce. Now let's talk about user experience. Shopify may take a little time to learn because it has so many store features, but beginners can still use it with some guidance. The dashboard is clean, and Shopify shows step-by-step instructions for setting up your first store. Google Sites is even easier. You can build a site within minutes because the editor is simple and you only need basic skills. So if your main goal is simplicity, Google Sites wins. But if you want a real online store, Shopify is a better choice. Next up, let's compare their integration capabilities. Shopify absolutely has one of the largest app stores online. You can add payment processors, marketing apps, shipping tools, and really almost anything you can think of. Google Sites connects smoothly with Google Workspace apps, which is great for teams, but it does not offer many outside integrations. This means that Shopify is much stronger for business features, while Google Sites works best for simple content. Now let's talk about pricing. Shopify's plans include Basic at $25 a month, Grow is $65 a month, Advanced is $399 per month, and Plus is $2,300 with a long-term commitment. That's monthly. Google Sites is free, but a Google Workspace subscription is needed for business features. Workspace plans include a starter plan at $6.30 per user per month. The standard is $12.60 per user per month, and Plus is $22 per user per month. There is an enterprise plan, but you'll need to contact sales because it has custom pricing. Which one do you choose? Well, if you want to build a real online store with payments and e-commerce tools, Shopify is clearly the better pick. But if you really only need a simple website for basic information, school use, or internal business pages, Google Sites is perfect because it's easy and it's free. All right, that's it for today's video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check that link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.